Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by lowering the window and removing 2 visible Phillips screws at the armrest and one 10mm bolt hidden under the trim cover. Slide a small flat screwdriver under the door handle bezel to expose another Phillips screw and remove it. Then use a plastic trim tool to pry the panel outward to release 5 plastic clips around the edge. Lift the panel up and away about 1 inch to clear the top lip. Reach behind and disconnect the window switch connector by pressing its tab and pulling straight out. With the inner panel removed, peel back the vapor barrier about 3 to 6 inches to access the handle area and locate 2 10mm nuts securing the exterior handle. Support the handle from outside while you remove the nuts and carefully detach the plastic clip from the lock rod and the pull rod from the handle lever. Fit the new handle by routing the rods through the door skin into the latch. Seat the plastic clip on the lock rod. Then hand start the 2 10mm nuts and check alignment before final torquing. Before fully reassembly, reconnect the window switch connector and test the handle and lock operation with the door open. Make sure the exterior and interior handles move the latch smoothly and the key fob cycles the lock. Reseat the vapor barrier, align the panel's top lip into the window channel, then press the panel firmly so 5 clips snap into place. Reinstall the 2 Phillips screws and the 10mm bolt at the armrest and any bezel screw. Finally, tighten the 2 10mm handle nuts to a firm snugness and recheck all functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.